Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Tired of wrestling with unruly garden hoses? The Giraffe retractable hose reel might just be the answer. This thing comes ready to go with a 125-fit hybrid hose and a 5-fit leader, letting you reach every nook and cranny of your yard. What's really cool is how it locks at any length you need. When you're done watering, a simple tug triggers the auto rewind, neatly coiling the hose without those annoying kinks. Say goodbye to bending over and untangling messes. The included 5-feet leader hose is also easily replaceable if you need a different length. Built to last, the hybrid hose is leak-free and durable. It's even been tested to withstand 200 psi of pressure and a bursting pressure of 600 psi. Setting it up is a breeze too. Everything you need is in the box. Just mount the 180-degree swivel bracket to the wall, pop the reel on, connect the leader to your faucet, and you're ready to water. This 48-piece toolkit is a surprisingly versatile and well-designed package. The custom case is a real highlight. Everything has its place, with clear size markings next to each bit, making it super easy to find what you need. It boasts 7 torque settings, giving you good control for various tasks. The forward-reverse rotation and locking mechanism are intuitive and prevent accidental operation. The included sockets and connector are a handy addition for tackling nuts and bolts. I've used it for everything from assembling furniture and drilling wood to basic electrical repairs and fixing those tricky, hard-to-reach spots. The ergonomic rubber grip is comfortable even during extended use, and the 90-degree rotation feature is a nice touch. The built-in LED light and separate flashlight are lifesavers in dimly lit areas. The whole kit comes nicely packaged, making it a great gift for anyone, DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, or even friends and family who just need a reliable set of tools. Forget being tethered to a power outlet. The Enertwist cordless oscillating multi-tool, compatible with DeWalt batteries, offers serious freedom. Powered by a robust brushless motor and offering 6 variable speed settings, it delivers both power and precision for a wide range of tasks. Switching blades is a breeze, saving valuable time on the job. The 3-degree oscillation angle provides excellent control for clean cuts and smooth sanding. Working in dimly lit spaces? No problem. The integrated LED light illuminates your work area for improved accuracy. Plus, the comfortable rubber grip handles minimize fatigue during extended use, so you can keep going longer. The Enertwist is also incredibly versatile, accepting most standard oscillating tool blades. From slicing through wood and removing stubborn nails to tackling grout and sanding, this tool is a true all-rounder for DIY enthusiasts and pros alike. Perfect for home renovations or demanding construction jobs. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Struggling with a heavy chainsaw regularly can be tiring. This clever tool is a game changer. It seamlessly transforms from a handheld mini chainsaw to a long-reach pole saw, tackling everything from ground-level pruning to high-up trimming with ease. The extendable pole is brilliant, adjusting from roughly 4.5 to 10 feet. No more precarious ladder balancing, you can safely reach those tricky branches. What's really impressive is the adjustable cutting head. This ensures clean, accurate trimming every time. 2 high-capacity batteries are included, meaning you can power through bigger projects without constant recharging, a huge plus for any cordless chainsaw. And the powerful brushless motor delivers serious cutting power, outperforming traditional manual pole saws and offering longer run times with less maintenance. Plus, it's quieter and cleaner than gas-powered saws, no fumes to deal with. This versatile Seesii pole saw is a winner for anyone who loves their garden and enjoys DIY outdoor projects. Want to keep your bike in top shape without breaking the bank at the repair shop? The Bike Hand Complete Bike Repair Toolkit might be just what you need. This comprehensive 23-piece set has practically everything a home mechanic could ask for. From simple tire changes with the included levers, to more complex bottom bracket work, this kit covers a wide range of maintenance tasks. What really stands out is the inclusion of a torque wrench. This is crucial for proper bike maintenance, allowing you to tighten bolts to the precise manufacturer-recommended torque, preventing damage from over-tightening or components coming loose from under-tightening. Not only does the Bike Hand Kit empower you to take care of your own bike, giving you a real sense of accomplishment, but it also saves you money on expensive shop repairs. The tools themselves are made from tough, heat-treated steel, suggesting they are built to last. Tired of your drill banging against your leg all day? This Pro Tool holster is a game changer. It clips securely to any belt, from your standard trouser belt to a heavy-duty tool belt, giving you complete freedom of movement without your drill swinging wildly. The one-handed release is brilliant, just a quick flick of the thumb lever, and you're ready to work. Plus, it's designed for both lefties and righties, with an easily reversible thumb lock. The holster automatically locks when you insert your tool, providing secure retention until you need it. Releasing is just as easy. Built from tough nylon composite and high tensile steel, this holster and drill pin combo is built to withstand serious daily wear and tear. And the best part? It positions your tool at the perfect angle so it doesn't dig into your side. Spyder's focus is on creating innovative, ergonomic solutions for everyone from weekend DIYers to seasoned pros. Their whole line of carrying solutions and tool accessories is designed to solve real problems for anyone who uses tools. This versatile set is a lifesaver for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. It comes with a ratchet crimper frame, 5 interchangeable jaws, a handy wire stripper, and a cross screwdriver, everything you need for various terminal types. The ratchet crimper boasts a precise, full-cycle ratchet mechanism, guaranteeing accurate and consistent crimps every single time. This clever design also locks the terminals in place while you insert the wire, ensuring a strong, secure connection. Plus, the adjustable compound action provides ample force with each squeeze. The precisely engineered, rust-resistant jaws deliver solid crimps on insulated and non-insulated terminals, as well as tabs and receptacles. No more worries about weak or unreliable connections. The included multifunctional stripper and cutter features precisely machined stripping holes for AWG 20-10 wire, removing insulation cleanly without damaging the wires. The spring-loaded mechanism makes it a breeze to use. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Nifty little mini drill, seriously handy. It's so compact you can easily maneuver it with just one hand. To use it, simply hold it in one hand, press the top button with your thumb, and guide it with your other hand. It's perfect for those tricky jobs like screwing in tight corners or blind holes. It's designed to be super lightweight and easy to grip, making it a breeze to control. The ergonomic handle is great for detailed work, preventing hand fatigue. Another cool feature is the bright LED light that automatically turns on when you use it, which is perfect for working in dark or confined areas. It even comes with a magnetic flexible shaft for reaching those hidden screws. This little powerhouse delivers a decent 300 meters of torque and spins at 250 RPM, making it great for various tasks like assembling furniture or tackling DIY projects around the house. The battery life is surprisingly good, and it charges via micro USB or a standard USB port in about 2 to 4 hours. This cordless 3.6-volt screwdriver is more than enough for everyday household tasks like assembling furniture or doing quick repairs. This little bench polisher packs a serious punch. Don't let its compact size fool you. This machine houses a surprisingly quiet yet powerful 200 to 320 watt motor. It spins from a gentle 1750 RPM all the way up to a blazing 8500 RPM, giving you incredible versatility. It's even precise enough to be used as a dental lathe. The controls are thoughtfully designed with safety in mind. The speed dial is separate from the on-off switch, preventing accidental speed changes. Plus, it has mounting holes and corner brackets to keep the base stable during operation. Whether you're a seasoned pro in a bustling workshop or a DIY enthusiast tinkering in your garage, this polisher is a perfect fit. Its small footprint means it won't hog precious workspace. And to get you started, it comes with a great accessory kit. 2 4-inch cotton buffs for final polishing, 2 fiber wheels for tackling rust, and a polishing compound. Need to perfectly match tricky shapes for your next project? This contour gauge set from Seesii is a lifesaver. You get a 5-inch and a 12-inch gauge, plus 2 handy hex wrenches. Built from tough ABS plastic, these tools are durable and rust-proof, ready for any job. Both gauges feature both inch and centimeter markings for precise measurements. What's really clever is the adjustable tightness. You can fine-tune the pressure for different materials. This Seesii set isn't your average contour gauge. The upgraded pins make it 50% wider than standard models, and at only half an inch thick, it's surprisingly low profile. It's reusable time and time again, making it an excellent investment. The locking mechanism is a standout feature, holding the copied shape securely. This is incredibly useful for working with pipes, creating circular frames, or fitting tiles, laminate, and carpet. It's also handy for checking dimensions, even on curved car bodies. From carpentry and modeling to painting, this tool is remarkably versatile. Tired of wrestling with bulky, gas-powered chainsaws? This cordless mini chainsaw is a game changer. Safety is clearly a priority, with features like a security lock to prevent accidental starts, a real peace of mind, especially if you have kids or pets. Plus, the 100-degree rotating guard effectively blocks flying debris. Getting started is a breeze. Just pop in the battery, and you're ready to go. They even include a spare chain and tools, which is a nice touch. This little powerhouse comes with 2 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, equipped with overload and temperature protection for extended life and consistent performance. It makes quick work of branches and small logs. Weighing in at only 2.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle, even in tight spots. The ergonomic grip further enhances comfort and reduces fatigue, making it perfect for anyone who wants a less strenuous cutting experience. The double battery setup means you can keep working longer, and replacing the chain is straightforward when needed.